Hello everyone, welcome again to Julia vs Python programming tutorials. Today we're learning how to retrieve system information using Julia and then Python. So these are our three terminals. Okay, so in bash you use uname-r or uname-a, which is going to give you all the information that you need. So it is Linus, and then the host name is the root, this number, this, and then the distribution is Ubuntu. This one will be in Python. In Python, let's see how it's done in Python and also in Julia. So in Python, I'm running 2.7 and then in Julia 0.45. Python will give you some information that is running on Linux, so is Julia too. So in Python, you import platform, then from platform.system to bracket, it's going to give you the system operating system type, or platform.version. It's going to into bracket, it's going to give you the distribution type, or you can do platform.platform, which is going to give you all the information that you require. Platform into bracket, it's going to give you all the information like it is going to give you when you type uname-a. In Julia, you enter version info into bracket, and it's going to give you all the information that you need, just like uname.a. So this is how it's going to appear in Julia. So the platform info, the system info, which is Linus, the platform info, all this is for the platform info, as well as the CPU, which is Intel R Celeron. So this is for, let me clear these ones too. In Python also, you can also check for more information or argument you can use using dr, and then this is going to be giving you. So all this information you can try it. Let me clear this. Okay, now let's check for IP address. How do you get your IP address? Let me clear this. Use ifconfig, then the interface wn0, going to give you all the information you need to know, your local host as well as your IPv6 address. In Python, you have to import socket. So when you import socket, that is when you can check the IP. So import socket, then socket dot host get host name, and it's going to give you the host name, or get host, or socket dot get host, or get host by IP address, rather. Then you put into bracket localhost. The localhost is going to give you that 127.0.0.0, which is the local host. So this is the local host. So let's check it from here so that we can see. ifconfig will give you everything, all the interfaces as well as the address. So this is the local host. So let's check again. How do you find the IP address? In Julia, you can also do the same thing by get host name. It's going to give you the host name just like it is gave us in Python, or you can do get host IP address. In Juba, it's going to give you the actual IP address of the system, the local IP, which is this one, this local IP. So how do you do it in Python? In Python, you can do it in this way by from socket, from sub process, import a check output dash underscore output here, and then your IP address. Let me add s to it. rs is equal to, let me add s here, it's equal to check output, then into bracket, square bracket, then the host name, then bracket like this, then dash dash all IP addresses, yes. Okay, then oh, I forgot the closing bracket. Okay, let me add it here to still count. Okay, so when I enter IP address, it's going to give me my local IP address. That is so nice. In Julia, it's quite simple. Also, you can also do get host name. For getting the host of anything, use host for bash, normal bash. So it's going to give you all the addresses related to this one. Let's see how you can do that in Python or in Julia. In Julia, it's quite simple. Or let me use Python rather. Socket.get host and name, and into bracket the name of the desktop, so www.google.com. So he's going to select one of them for you, just like the one there. In Julia, you can also do something like that. Get host name or get address info. Let me make it, yeah, get address info Google. So this is it. There's also selected one for you. Another thing that you can also do is you can do socket get host by get address info, then you enter the port. So you enter the port, so 80 is going to give you the particular IP address of that host. So these are all the particular IP address related to Google. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, I want you to add it, subscribe, and then share your comments as well as your likes. Thank you, and then please don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed.